Okay, let's get started. I want to show you guys this new feature about integrating GLB animations and attaching them in your sequence. When you're creating your presentation, you can mix the internal animations of AfterNow Prez as well as the one from your animations in your 3D models. So here it is. I'm going to give you an example. So in this presentation, I already have like an image and the text, and I'm gonna have this little robot. They're gonna appear in the animation and move around. So how I'm gonna do that, actually I'm gonna first show you the little robot. So here's how the robot looks like. You can see it over there. Um, it's a cute little guy, and we're gonna make it into the scene. So to do that, what we're gonna do first to enter, we're gonna add a press animation for making it move from the left to right. So we're going to do that pretty fast because it's a fast robot. So the little bot's going to move from left to right. After that, what I want to do is I want this robot to jiggle with his internal animation. It has a little animation that makes him move like bloop, 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 like this. I don't know how to call it. But I want him to just play it once, quickly, and then I want him to do a little turn on himself. So this little robot now is going to do a rotation animation. Here we go. So, and the rotate animation, I want to wait a little bit so it gives time for the little bot to do his little move. So I'm going to give it 2 seconds, then he does his move. Then after that, we stop the rotation, which is important. Actually, let me make all those automated. So I'm going to make that work with after that animation, and this one works also after that animation. Okay, so this one is going to be on a pinch, this one's going to be automated, this one's going to be automated after 2 seconds, and then I'm going to add another animation after 3 seconds to actually stop rotating. There we go. So we stop rotating and we're going to make it 4 seconds. So let's make it rotate for 4 seconds because it's really happy, really fast also, because it's a fast little guy, and that will be after the previous animation. So after he starts, we're going to make it rotate. And then the last one, I want him to continue doing his little jiggle on the loop now after doing all this. So and I'm going to attach that with the previous animation. So as he stops right away, he starts his little jiggle. Okay, oops, I added 2. Okay, there we go. So now you move from the left to right, he start a little jiggle, start rotating, stop rotating, and continue his jiggle. Okay, that sounds pretty clean and interesting. So let's get to see what it does. Now I'm going to start presenting. Here it is. So yeah, we see the image and here the text. And now I'm going to do my little pinch. And I have my little guy that appears from the left to right, floating. And now he rotates. And now we continue jiggling. Cool. There we go. That's how you can attach animations in your presentation from your 3D models.